A very good afternoon. Yeah, it's actually good afternoon. How are you doing? I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And it's a fantastic Saturday. A great start to the weekend and stuff. So I'm hoping the same for you. So we are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff, wherein we supply and we provide interior solution products and services. Where we have furniture, we've got corporate gifting items, we've got luxury products, and we also kind of promote and supply art and installation and stuff like that on request. The core work remains designing, manufacturing, and making stuff like lamps, mirrors. You have consoles, you have bookends, semi-precious stone item products. Then there are trays. Then there are the bigger items like furniture, which is 3-seaters, loungers, 2-seaters, in leather, non-leather, in fabric, etc. And then of course there is consoles and center tables, which are actually targeted and made for the international market, but we do sell them here in locally in Delhi and India as well. A few projects of mine have received an award, and I'm also an international and a national award winner. About 4 awards in the last 3-4 years or 4 years, and about 16 to 17 certificates for participation in assorted forums. And mind you, this is in spite of the fact that I had health concerns, off and on. So this is neck, cervical and back and leg injury and stuff like that, or whatever. Okay, so that phase is over. I'm in the present right now, so I avoid not to kind of think too much about it. But yes, coming back to the present, my realizations have been on friendship, because when you're going through this journey, transition of off work and less work, you try and make the best use of the free time and stuff, so you're kind of meeting up with new people, or you're trying new things, and you get into new circles and stuff and all that. And as you go through that, you realize that this is not what you want to be in and stuff, or you have some bad experiences and stuff, so, or you have some great experiences and you decide, yes, this is what I want to be a part of, and this is where my feel good or easy